Hi, fellow knitters. It's Janet with BDD Patterns.com. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to knit a one row repeat reversible knitting stitch. Let's go. Let's talk about what I used to knit this beautiful stitch. Starting with the needles, I used a US number 9 or a 5.5 millimeter. If you want to weave in your tails, then you'll need a yarn needle and also my favorite, a yarn needle threader. Can't do it without those. I used a worsted weight number 4 today, and this is Karen 1 pound in off-white, and just a pair of sharp scissors. All right, let's knit. For this stitch, cast on any multiple of 2. I'm going to go with 14 today. All right, I've got my 14 stitches on here, but I wanted to go into a little bit of an explanation for this beautiful stitch. Now, I'm not sure where this all came from, but I can tell you this. This is something that I learned by doing this on my own. I've seen a lot of this stitch called the half fisherman stitch or the shaker stitch, but what I did with it was a little different, so I don't know if it's still called that. It's just a different method, whatever. But this is the way that I wanted to do it because I actually turned it into a one row repeat. And yes, it's obviously reversible. All right, so before we get into the one row repeat, we just need a setup row. And all this is knit the first stitch, purl the next stitch, knit the next stitch, also known as a 1x1 ribbing. So this is the foundation row, not the repeat row. If this was the repeat row, then I would just be teaching how to do a 1x1 ribbing, right? And that's not what you're here for. You're here to do something that's a little bit different. And the method of this is essentially a 1x1 ribbing. It's just where we put our knit stitches in makes that knit stitch pop. I mean, it really pop. It's such a cool stitch. And I was learning this stitch and figuring out how to turn it into a one row repeat, I noticed that it's a pretty popular thing to attempt to knit some famous person. I don't know. I'm not really versed with that. But it's supposedly Ariana Grande. Is that her name? I don't know. She had some kind of sweater that was like a chunky sweater, and it was knit in what I believe, the flashes that I've seen of the actual sweater, is this stitch. All right, let's get ready for our repeat row. We just did a knit purl row here, and we're going to get ready. All right, here's our easy one row repeat. The first stitch is just a knit stitch, right? The next stitch is a purl. So we're basically knitting these stitches as they present themselves with the difference of the location of the knit stitch. All right, here's our knit stitch, and let me switch to a close-up so you can see this. Okay, you can see right here that this is the knit stitch. There's the V down there, and there's the right leg, and there's the left leg. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into the center. And when we go into the center, if you notice here, see there's a bar there, that should be at the top of your needle, and you'll know you hit the right spot. And you can see that I'm splitting it because there's the right leg and there's the left leg. And then on the back side, here's what it looks like. Okay, you can see there's a bar there and there's my needle. And again, do yourself a favor with this stitch and use some very sharp needles, and you just knit it. And that's all this is. Okay, so we're going to go again, and we're going to purl. There's our knit stitch right there. We're going to go right into the center or the stitch below, and we're just going to knit. All right, purl, knit right into the center of that stitch. Yep, purl, knit again, purl. Here we are with our new way to knit stitch. And in the last row, or the last stitch now of the repeat row, it's just a knit stitch. And at the end of the row, before you turn, just give it a slight little tug. Thank you so much for watching. If you knitted this stitch, could you do me a favor? Show everyone by sharing it on your social media and tag me at BDD Patterns. Have a blessed day.